Ahead of the 2027 general elections, a group of civil society organizations has called on the National Assembly to make the real-time electronic transmission of polling unit results mandatory under the law. The demand was made at a joint news conference in Abuja. The group, while warning that further delays in the harmonization and passing of the bill will create legal uncertainty for the 2027 general elections, expressed deep concern over the Senate's recent rejection of real-time electronic transmission, urging the Joint Conference Committee to adopt the House of Representatives version of the bill.
We urge the Senate to utilize the opportunity to adopt unambiguous provisions through its votes and proceedings that explicitly adopts mandatory real-time electronic transmission and collation of results, downloadable, missing, and unused voter card, and retention of timelines for notice of election, submission of lists of nominated candidates, and publication of lists of candidates by INEC.
Please, Nigerians should know that real time does not mean that as you are voting, your vote is being transmitted and is collated somewhere. No, that's not real time. Secondly, real time is not electronic collation. So please, let's help inform Nigerians so they don't get, manipulated by some of those who have misappropriated this whole concept of real time.
For the 2027 polls to be credible, the law must explicitly mandate the electronic upload of results directly from polling units to a public portal.
Lack of clarity in our laws affects the quality of our elections and ultimately threatens our democracy. So this ultimatum is founded on our democratic right to make demands to our representatives in the National Assembly. They are our lawmakers, we elected them, and National Assembly exists for Nigerians, not for themselves.
Beyond transmission, the group is pushing for the introduction of downloadable voter cards, as they noted that over 6 million Nigerians were unable to vote in 2023.
When we say electronic transmission of results, it deepens the integrity of the process. Only politicians who are scared of credible elections will not support or vote for electronic transmission of results. And we must make the point that it serves everyone's interest, whether it's the ruling party or the opposition party. It serves our interest. In fact, it boosts the legitimacy of those who win elections at the end of the day, especially when it is open and transparent.
The group also criticized a proposed clause that will allow only INEC officials to trigger a review of disputed results, as they argued that since some officials have been found complicit in past electoral fraud, candidates, party agents, and accredited observers should also have the power to file reports for a review, adding that the National Assembly is expected to conclude the amendment process and transmit the final bill to the President within the next 2 weeks to ensure a predictable roadmap for the 2027 elections.